Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are covering a detailed summary of 7 Money Rules for Life by Mary Hunt. This book is a practical guide for anyone who wants to take control of their finances, get out of debt, and build long-term wealth. Mary Hunt, a financial expert, shares 7 essential money rules that can transform your financial life. These rules are simple but incredibly effective, no matter where you are in your financial journey. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more valuable book summaries and financial tips. Let's dive into the 7 money rules that can change your life. Chapter 1: Spend less than you earn. This is the foundational rule that sets the tone for the rest of the book. Mary Hunt explains that living within your means is the key to financial success. By consistently spending less than you earn, you can avoid debt and build a savings cushion. She shares practical tips on budgeting, cutting unnecessary expenses, and making sure your lifestyle doesn't outgrow your income. Key takeaways: track your spending and stick to a budget. Avoid lifestyle inflation as your income increases. Living below your means is the first step to building wealth. Chapter 2: Save for the future. Hunt emphasizes the importance of saving money for both short-term and long-term goals. She encourages readers to start by building an emergency fund, which can help cover unexpected expenses. Once you have an emergency fund, you can focus on saving for retirement, major purchases, and other financial goals. Key takeaways: build an emergency fund of at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Start saving for retirement as early as possible to benefit from compound interest. Automate your savings to make it easier. Chapter 3: Give some away. In this chapter, Mary Hunt talks about the surprising benefits of giving. She believes that generosity can have a profound impact on your financial life. By regularly giving a portion of your income, whether to charity or helping others, you shift your mindset from scarcity to abundance. Hunt argues that giving doesn't make you poorer, but instead, it enriches your life. Key takeaways: allocate a portion of your income to give to those in need. Giving can help you develop a positive, abundance-focused mindset. Generosity is a key part of long-term financial success. Chapter 4: Anticipate your irregular expenses. Here, Hunt focuses on the importance of planning for irregular but predictable expenses like car repairs, holiday spending, or annual insurance premiums. Many people forget to budget for these, which leads to financial stress. By anticipating and setting aside money for these expenses, you can avoid unnecessary debt. Key takeaways: identify your irregular expenses and plan for them in advance. Set aside money each month to cover these costs. Avoid using credit cards for expenses you could anticipate. Chapter 5: Tell your money where to go. Budgeting is a major theme in this chapter. Mary Hunt explains that a successful financial plan involves giving every dollar a job. Instead of wondering where your money went at the end of the month, you should create a plan for every dollar before you spend it. She introduces the idea of a zero-based budget, where your income minus your expenses equals zero. Key takeaways: create a zero-based budget to control your spending. Assign every dollar a specific purpose, including savings and investments. Revisit your budget regularly to adjust for changes in your financial situation. Chapter 6: Manage your credit. Mary Hunt advises readers to use credit wisely, if at all. While some people advocate for cutting up credit cards, Hunt believes that credit can be useful if managed properly. She explains how to use credit without falling into debt, including paying off balances in full each month and avoiding high-interest loans. Hunt also provides tips on how to improve your credit score and avoid common credit pitfalls. Key takeaways: use credit responsibly and avoid carrying balances. Pay off high-interest debts as quickly as possible. Keep track of your credit score and work to improve it. Chapter 7: Borrow only what you know you can repay. The final rule is all about responsible borrowing. Hunt encourages readers to avoid unnecessary debt and only borrow what they are confident they can repay. Whether it's a mortgage, car loan, or student loan, Hunt explains how to approach borrowing with caution. She advises against borrowing for depreciating assets, such as cars, and suggests paying for major purchases with savings whenever possible. Key takeaways: only take on debt that you know you can repay without financial strain. Avoid borrowing for items that lose value, like cars or consumer goods. Focus on saving for major purchases instead of relying on credit. Conclusion: 7 Money Rules for Life by Mary Hunt is a straightforward, practical guide to mastering your finances. By following these 7 money rules, you can eliminate debt, build wealth, and achieve financial freedom. Whether you are just starting out or looking to improve your financial situation, these rules offer timeless wisdom that anyone can apply. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this summary helpful, make sure to like the video, leave a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more book summaries and financial advice. Stay tuned for more videos to help you achieve financial success.